come.
I hear that.
I'm gonna do like see our food come and show our food and then get off. What was you talking? Nobody yet. Cause this is my first time going live. I never went live before. Let me see. I can't see y'all. What is showing?
Yeah.
Is my cup in the way? Oh. You on cake?
Mom.
What? Wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth, Mook. Why Kayla in the video? All in the video? Cause you supposed to clap for other people. You supposed to be happy for other people. Right. Wipe your mouth, Mook. Wipe your mouth.
Oh, he put it back.
Remember how they did the Hex?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want a water, sir?
Sure. Why not? Nah, because she's saying I just power through the alcohol. So, yeah, so anytime that's just good service.
You know what I would have said?
Man, I'm
Come on,
scared.
Daddy, you can go for it.
Nah, I won't get
And then they be like, I don't know, no, I think that's it.
At our hotel, they say a little.
Go for another
You can go down there.
Go for another.
At the little bar, get drunk.
Oh, my God, one.
Go to sleep.
No.
Uh-oh.
Have the steak with the rice and broccoli.
The side.
Can we turn around? Mac and cheese and spicy chicken bites.
That's going to be her.
And then the rice is coming right behind you, right?
All right,
Thank you. Okay, let me just show her food and then I'm gonna cut it off. Let me see how I flip it.
That is macaroni and cheese, I guess.
Oh, sorry. That's your birthday dinner. That's Monk's birthday dinner. She got her some shrimp on top of rice, a steak, and some broccoli. That's what she wanted.
Gang of broccoli.
And then what Kayla got? Let me see.
I got macaroni and cheese.
Cheese. And then she wanted chicken bites, the appetizer. But they gave her a lot. So that's what she want, because she don't eat steak. Alright, well y'all have a blessed night. Thank you.
I'm done. Oh, you ain't gonna stay until your food? Yeah, good food. Oh, we'll do it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Sweet potato.
Thank you.
Did you get mashed potatoes, did you?
Thank you.
I'm missing mashed potatoes for him. Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
Man, they gave me a lot of information.
Yeah, so you ordering 5?
I said on top.
That's what it is. That's how they send it to you.
I love mushrooms on.
But butter for your shrimp.
This on that man.
You say grace?
Did we say grape? Yeah, we said grape. Remember, y'all just ate that chicken.
I say grace on all my food.
Okay, let's say grape on.
Oh, Heavenly Father, I just come to you and ask you to continue to bless us and be with us. Make this food nurturing to our mind, body, and soul. In your son's name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
I pray over all my food.
Oh, this is. Where my napkin go? Where your napkin at? Where?
Anything I can grab for y'all to enjoy the meal?
Oh no, that's all.
He running back to get her mashed potatoes. That's the only thing that didn't come out. But everything else is so great.
Okay.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. I'll be back with the water for you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take that. Okay. How do I? I don't know how you share it.
I'll put it in butter. Shrimp. I'll put shrimp in the butter.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much,
It's
sir.
my pleasure. You guys doing okay? Have everything you need?
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You ate the shrimp?
Yeah, it was good.
Oh, good, huh?
Oh, that one?
You got it on your
That's
phone?
shrimp.
Get one.
I don't know what that is.